Welcome to GRATIA Poultry Farm. We hatch and distribute improved kienyeji chicks which are from 1 day to a month old. They are all vaccinated against diseases. These breeds are Croira, Rainbow, Carre, and Kenbro. We also offer agrovet products, free training, and a market to our customers. For booking and training, call us on 0724 575614 or follow us on Facebook at GRATIA Poultry. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at GRATIA Poultry and leave a comment. GRATIA Poultry Farm. We work together every step of the way.